Valitic Strong Nail Glue and Strengthener, Quick Dry Brush on Gel for long-lasting nails, Adhesive Bond for false nails, Strengthener for nail tips, 1 pack. In today's fast-paced world, at-home manicures have become a go-to for beauty enthusiasts. But let's face it, applying false nails can be frustrating if your glue fails. Peeling nails, messy applications, and damaged tips are all too common. Enter Valitic Strong Nail Glue and Strengthener, a game-changer designed to keep your press-ons and acrylics secure while nurturing your natural nails. Extra strength, this reliable nail glue bonds quickly and keeps acrylic and press-on nails in place for a long time. Fortified with a unique strengthening vitamin E formula, this nail glue helps to prevent nails from breaking and drying, thus leaving your nails strong and revitalized. Quick dry, this brush-on glue is so easy to use as it dries quickly without hassle. Easy application, especially designed for smooth applying. You can use it just like the regular polish. Nail kit essential, lightweight and easy to carry. This beauty tool should always be present in your manicure set wherever you go, on any occasion. Instant manicure, with the modern designs of press-on nails and acrylic nails, this trending nail glue gives you an instant glam on your nails in the comfort of your own home. Valitic Strong Nail Glue and Strengthener isn't just another adhesive, it's a nail care revolution. By blending a rock-solid hold with nourishing ingredients, it solves the biggest gripes of DIY manicures. Whether you're prepping for a wedding or just craving everyday glam, this glue ensures your nails stay flawless and strong. Ready to ditch the salon trips? Give Valitic a try and watch your nail game soar. Subscribe my channel and share this video.